Good morning, traders. Sean Oman from FX Chatter here. Today is Thursday, May 26, 2011. Welcome back to the Daily Fundamental Report. Here we track the flow of money around the world and the effects it may have on the currencies. So let's get started for today. At the open of Wall Street, we've got a weak open. But all indicators are pointing towards a stronger U.S. dollar. However, is it strong enough to move the market, which is in a negative U.S. dollar mode at this time? Probably not. We're going to wait and see. We're going to look for some strength in the different indicators. But let's take a look at what's going on. We've got gold, which is down, which is positive U.S. dollar. Gold seems to be heading further down, which is a good thing if you're going to buy the dollar. Oil is down very, very slightly, which is technically positive U.S. dollar, but there's not a lot of strength in that sector. Our equities opened down slightly. The S&P is down less than 1 point, which is positive U.S. dollar, but again, not a lot of strength there. We actually will be looking for a possible reversal in that if markets turn positive, especially oil and equities, it may be a reversal in the U.S. dollar outlook, which would be a continuation of the current trend that it's on. Treasuries are up, which is positive U.S. dollar. So if we do have a turnaround in the market data, this would add to a U.S. dollar being weaker. Commodities are up, which is negative U.S. dollar. And we have this morning the GDP numbers out, which disappoints. Now, normally that should be bad for the U.S. dollar. However, it may translate into crushing the markets, the stock market, and the gold market as well, in a flight to safety there, which could end up making for a positive U.S. dollar result. And the same with the unemployment claims, which were up for this week, which should be negative U.S. dollar. However, if it has a strong effect on the equities markets, it could translate into a positive U.S. dollar with the inverse relationship between the stock market and the U.S. dollar. So at this time, we've got mostly favorable for the U.S. dollar. However, it looks like markets may be turning around. We'll look for either a more strength added to the negative side of these markets, which would signal a continued outlook for a positive U.S. dollar, or what's more than likely is that we'll see a turnaround in most of these markets and see added weakness to the U.S. dollar. So at this point, we're on the sidelines. We're just watching. But if you're going to take a trade at this point, make sure your technical indicators are strong and the right side of the trade at this point in the day, which is about 10 minutes to 10 in the morning, is a positive U.S. dollar, is to buy the dollar. Keep your eye on all the indicators. Look for any changes or added strength. We'll be waiting for some strength into the market before we take our trades. So make sure you read the written report. Just scroll down below on the website and get more details. And please revisit us at 4 p.m. or shortly after for the market wrap-up. And happy trading.